Hey everybody, this is Eric down at Rebel 42 Golf Carts and Power Sports. First off, I want to congratulate you on your purchase of the Elite Series golf cart. Today, we're going to show you how to properly maintain the oil. Wait a second, Elites don't have oil in them. We're going to show you how to properly maintain the water in your. Oh, wait a second. You don't have to maintain water in this. This is a lithium battery. So pretty much all you have to do on these to maintain your cart is keep a check on your tire pressure. All you have to do is take the cover off the valve stem. You can use one of the pencil style air pressure testers or the digital gauge. You simply place it on the stem, pulls it out. You need to be between 18 and 22 pounds of pressure. 18 pounds of pressure if you're using it on grass, 22 pounds of pressure if you're using it on the street. And that's pretty much it. We do still recommend that you sign up for our 6-month service program. You can reach us at www.rebel42.com or at 919-662-4200.